Hey everybody, this is Chris from Guaranty RV, and I'm really excited to show you this really neat 2016 Wolf Pup. It's just a small little trailer. It might be perfect for your family, especially if you have a couple kids. It's only about 16 feet. Let's check it out. Now you're going to notice it does have a manual awning on the outside. There's a place to put a TV where you can hook it up to your speakers. You can tailgate, watch the duck games, the beaver games, whatever games you're into, or just a movie outside while you're camping. That'd be cool, huh? Check this thing out. You got a really nice, large size queen bed where it sleeps two adults just beautifully. Overhead cabinets for extra storage. You've got a nice dinette, just a couple people, it's just perfect. Look at all the counter space that you get in this one. That's pretty rare in such a small little trailer. Got a nice little sink, a 2-burner stove. They've got a fan with a light and a nice Furrion microwave. A nice pantry for some extra food. And then a fridge right down here underneath this big countertop. Isn't that great? And you'll notice right in here, 2 extra bunks. And you know, guys, even if you don't have a few people sleeping with you, this is amazing storage that you can use for all of your gear, tubs, equipment. You know, even a pet in a pet crate can fit inside there. And check out this bathroom. Just a nice little bathroom. It's got a tub, just everything you need to get cleaned up. You know, a lot of people are just looking for a small, inexpensive trailer just to get started and get out there and camp and get off the ground and not be in a tent. This is the one. It's a great deal. Come on and give me a jingle. I'd love to sell it to you. And we've got plenty of other ones that I can show you as well. Call me. My name is Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878.